creating a personal brand as a certified CBAP business analyst. Personal branding is the process of creating a distinct image and reputation for yourself in the professional world. It involves defining who you are, what you stand for, and what sets you apart from others in your field. As a certified CBAP business analyst, your brand reflects your skills and reputation. Developing your brand strategy. To build a strong personal brand as a certified CBAP business analyst, you must create a clear brand strategy. It should outline your goals, values, and target audience. Your brand strategy should align with your career goals. It should showcase your unique skills as a business analyst. Utilizing branding techniques. There are various branding techniques that you can use to enhance your personal brand as a certified CBAP business analyst. Building your brand identity. Your brand identity is the visual representation of your personal brand as a certified CBAP business analyst. This may include your personal branding statement, brand story, logo, and messaging. A consistent brand identity will boost recognition and trust with your audience. Embracing brand authenticity. Authenticity is key when it comes to personal branding as a certified CBAP business analyst. Your brand values, mission, and messaging should reflect who you truly are and what you stand for in your professional life. Conclusion. In conclusion, a personal brand as a certified CBAP business analyst is key to your career success.